Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Story Money, and today I will show you app. It will pay you a good money, but as always, click on the subscribe button and the bell notification so don't miss any of my future videos, and give me a quick like and let me know what you thought of the video. Let's get into this. So the first money making app that I want to show you today is called NeoBux. NeoBux is a very similar site like Ysense. You can making from $400 to $600 a month on NeoBux, and there are nothing wrong with getting onto a few of these different promotions and different offers, and it is how much money you can make on that one. Now NeoBux has been around a long time, and the good thing about NeoBux is they pay instantly, so there are payments up and pretty much proceed straight away. They have a lot of advertisements daily, which is really good, and it is one of the a lot more better sites out there, and you have got a lot of good reviews. There is a lot of people making good money on it. Some people making from $400 to $600 a month on this, and it is good daily prices. You can earn, like I said, you get paid now. As you can see here on the website I have had reach with this one. You can just browse through it, so you need to register. You get one, there is a few you can get straight away and take service. NeoBux is a platform you can join from all countries, and you can earn by doing different tasks. So there might be a few countries not available in. I cannot say that for sure, but from what I know, it is available for all countries. You need to use it on the website if you want to earn, but you can log in from your phone if you want to. But let's go over how you can earn, and if it is worse, you can register here. Write your username and password and your email and continue. After that, logging in on NeoBux. I have logged into NeoBux. What is the most known for is to be a PTC site, meaning a paid click site where you can earn by watching ads. And once you come inside, you can see there is in the menu you can click view advertisements, and how many that are available. That really does depend on also sometimes your membership level and also on that day and all this. Right now there are not a lot available for me, but how it works you can see is that there is something here what I will get for clicking this ad. So I will get $0.001 for clicking and this ad for clicking this ad, and then you can also read this. There is some other potentially will get, and there are sometimes ads that pay a little bit more, but not really a lot more. That also depends on your membership level, as I will go over later, but I will just need to click it, and then you see click the red dot there, and then a new screen will open up, and then I need to load, and you can see there is a control here, and once you're done, then you'll find there, then it has been validated, and that is it, and then it has been added this one to my account, and that's how I earn. But I need to click a lot of ads to earn. As you can see, there is not even enough ads for that. It will take a amount of time, but there are ways to earn more by clicking the ads with the memberships, as we will also go over. Let's talk about some of the other earning methods. So NeoBux also has service as way to earn, and it has started offering more service, so definitely you can find a lot of pay service here. But I will say, like, I have tested hundreds of different pay service, and the rewards here are decent for the service, but because of the overall way the system on NeoBux works, is not a site that I will personally be talking service on, because I prefer stop paying service sites. But yes, you can earn money by doing it, but I just find there are many other ways to many better service sites in general, so I would prefer using those instead. But if you decide NeoBux is for you, then definitely service can be a way to earn money, and a couple of other ways you can earn money. Also, a couple of other ways you can earn is you can see coins, they call it, but this is basically also just paid off for paid offers walls. They are available. Paid offers are available on some of the top get paid to sites, and again I would prefer taking that. And they also have a game section. There you can see you can get $0.001 per session. You play right and you need to play for 2 minutes, so you will get $0.00 for playing for 2 minutes. And there are many better ways to earn. If you like playing, there are many other platforms where you can play and earn money, and you can earn money more. But in general, it offers a lot of different earning methods. Pay some of them. So there are different membership level, and you can see how much you will earn for the different clicks, and you can see you can earn more. You see sometimes you can earn 1 cent per click or 2 cents per click if you have a higher membership level for certain ads, not the ones that I showed you there. You saw that gives less there, but if you get a golden membership you can get more than you will get. You can earn more for those, and you will also earn more for referrals, because a big part of NeoBux is to get you to invite other people to earn more money. And this is an overview of what else you can earn, and then you can see the prices of upgrading golden bucks. As you can see the different membership levels, how many referrals can you get, and all these different things. Here you see there is a lot of requirements, and you can see even come up to like $840 per year. It is of course a yearly price, but this is a lot of money. You really need to know exactly what you are doing, because rules are so confusing about how much you need to do yourself. What about the referrals? All different things there, and referrals inactive and recycled discount per referrals. So many completed roles, you can make a lot of money. So you might get tempted to spend like $400, maybe $600. You just think, so how does NeoBux pay? Well, you can see if you go to your personal settings, you can see that you can get paid PayPal there, or you can get paid cryptocurrency. So the payout are actually quite, I think there is something for basically anyone what you prefer. As for how much you need to earn to get paid, you can see you can go to the minimum cash out there, and you can see here it says that for the first one you need to earn $2. If you want to do that just by clicking ads, that will take time, and then it will increase with $1 until it reaches $10. So it is for BTC side a fairly high payout. So it is for BTC side a fairly high payout, but it is double if you do by clicking ads. It is gonna take time. So NeoBux is a way that you can earn money and get paid, and NeoBux is one of the BTC sites where you can earn more money than you can. The next app that I want to show you is called 1888. Type it up. It is a transcription job website where you can go on and get jobs for yourself to start pretty much immediately. Now with this website, they have been around for a long time. Very reputable. When you get a chance, jump into it and have a good luck, and I will go through it quickly now, and I will show you exactly what it's about. I really like it very much. On the front screen it says apply here, we are currently hiring, and there are jobs available. There are on their site, which is fantastic. What I want to show you quickly is what they are actually paying with this site, and again they also claims that they are one of those sites that pays above their sort of award standard compared to a lot of other sites. As you can see here, they are transcription pay rate. The most frequently asked question by applicants is how much do you pay? Also, our focus is on quality and accuracy. We understand the practicality of knowing whether our transcription work will be worth your while. Our transcriptionists make $13 to $180 per edit hour. So remember, it is per edit hour, not per hour. So when they give you an hour worth of video, depending on that video, different types of video that they give, you will get paid $13 to $180 per video hour, which is decent amount of money there, and they strive to pay at least $2 to $3 per video minute, which is fantastic. 30 minutes you will get $16 per video hour. And the good thing about this company is they have actually got a little disclaimer here, which says that they are actually fighting against other transcription companies that refusing to pay above the law. So as you can see, they are paying between $13 and $180, and there is a lot of companies paying between $10 and $24 per video hour. It requires equipment. It will go through and let you know what you need. You need a computer, and you will need to be able to listen to the audio, and you will need Office. It's 365, so you will need the right equipment to be able to do the job. And as you see here, to work for us, a computer, Express Scribe, a full pedal is completely optional and not required. You can go through and have a look. It tells you exactly what you need with this particular company. I saying that only one that charges you $13 fee, and that fees for them to go through and pass your exam. So what is suggest you do is go through and have a look, and there is a lot of places online that you can actually have a look to see what that exam is and how much it costs. And another good thing about this site is for international applicants, we do accept non-US applicants. If you are outside the United States, you can work for them. They have many clients outside of the United States. Getting work is not a problem. So that is the first site where you can earn money from home and make money online. And the second site that I want to talk to you about is called Bubble Type, and this site is another transcription company. It is been around for a long time. They also pay really good money and benefits for working for this company. As you can see, you can work from home. You get paid weekly, which is fantastic. And again, they will pay you through PayPal and Payoneer and all different types of payment platform that they offer. But the thing about, you can grow your skills. They will teach you everything that you need to know. And if you are looking to work outside of the US, this is a particular site. However, they do prefer that you speak the native tongue in the country that you are in. So if you are in a country that speaks other languages than English, they will prefer for you to speak that language fluently as well, which is high. And you need to be obviously language proficient in English, and that their native language. All you need to do is to learn. That will take you through to their page to apply. And again, that site is Bubble Type. It is another fantastic site where you could be earning very good money transcribing from home. Our service: transcription, translation, content analysis, and minimum. And all you need to do is to apply in that site and start earning money from home. And again, that site is bubbletype.com. And I hope this video helped you, and make sure to hit a like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any videos about to make extra money online.